Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Appalachian Home Co. Today we're going to do this fun exploding candy box. This is going to be for Valentine's Day and we're going to be using our Cricut machine to make this, so stick around, you're going to enjoy this video. So here's the materials you're going to need to do this project. We're going to be using the Cricut Maker 3. You can also use the Cricut Explorer to make this project. And you're going to need a light grip or standard grip mat. And I'm also going to be using a scoring tool. You can use the scoring stylus or the scoring wheel, whichever that you have. And I'm also going to be using some smart sticker cardstock in the color white, and then I have some Valentine's colors of cardstock as well. You are going to be needing the 12 by 12 sheets for this project. You'll also need some kind of glue, and I'm using these clips to hold everything together while the glue dries. You're going to need to use Cricut Design Space to make this project, and I'm going to leave a link for this exact project down in the description. If you click on that, it will take you to this screen, and from there you can either go to make the project or customize the project, and I will show you everything included in this project in Design Space. The red and white cross here is just the smaller inside box, and then the larger pink one here is going to be your outside box. And these white squares are your sticker cardstock. They're actually going to stick to the inside of your boxes. You'll also have this small red lid for the smaller inside box, and then you'll have a large pink lid for the outside box. Now you can use any color or any cardstock that you want. I just had these colors available, so that's what I'm using. You're also going to see these little hatched lines. These are score lines. This is where you're going to use your scoring tool to create the fold lines to make these really easy to fold. So now we're ready to go ahead and make our project. Here I'm going to select multiple ways because I will be using no mat with the smart cardstock. For mats 2, 3, and 4, I'm going to be using regular cardstock with a mat. So now that everything is set up correctly, I'm going to go ahead and hit continue and we will make our project. For mat number 1, I'm going to go into browse all materials and select the smart paper sticker cardstock. For mat 2, 3, and 4, I'm going to select the medium cardstock option, and I'm also going to select remember material settings. That way I don't have to select this for each mat. It's just going to automatically save my settings for me. Also, under the load tools and material, I'm going to go into edit tools. This is preset to use a scoring wheel, but I have a scoring stylus right now, so I'm just going to change this to scoring stylus, and that's what I'm going to use to create the fold lines. Now I'm going to install my scoring stylus. It's going to go in clamp A, which is the left clamp. Now I have all of my pieces cut out and ready to assemble, and this is going to be the fun part. I'm going to start with this big outer pink box. You're just going to want to create fold lines along the score lines created by your Cricut machine, and I'm just folding these all to the inside. Now I'm just going to add that smart sticker cardstock, and you see here where that comes in really handy. There's no glue needed. I just pull that off the sticker paper and pop that right onto these boxes. Now I'm going to start building the lids with the glue and these clips. You're going to fold just like you did with the boxes in towards the center. There's 2 folds on each side. That's going to create the little rim around your lid. You'll want to let your lids dry just for a little bit, make sure they're good and glued together. And now we can go ahead and assemble the rest of our box and add all of our candy. I'm going to be using just some chocolates and different Valentine's candies, but you can use whatever you want to for this project. If you don't even want to use candy, you can use little gifts instead. Does this look yummy or what? This is literally the perfect gift for me because I love chocolate. And actually, my kids really enjoyed this too. So if you're thinking up ideas on your kids' Valentine's party for school, this would be a great one, especially for teachers. But thank you guys so much for watching this video and for watching all of my videos. If you've not subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing. I do videos like this all the time. I have lots of Cricut videos on this channel, and I plan to do a lot more this year. So thank you guys again. I will see you in my next video.